2025 McLaren Artura Spider is an exotic drop-top with a 690 HP hybrid V6. The convertible Artura's arrival brings upgrades that also extend to the coupe, including a revised suspension and 19 extra horses. The 2025 McLaren Artura Spider arrives with a retractable roof and alongside various updates to the lineup. The hybrid V6 powertrain now produces 690 horsepower, a 19 horsepower increase versus the previous version. Deliveries of the 2025 Artura Coupe and Spider will begin midway through this year. Although the McLaren Artura was unveiled back in 2021, sales in the United States only kicked off last year after delays due to quality control issues. Despite the setback, McLaren today revealed a host of improvements as well as the 2025 Artura Spider, which arrives with a retractable hardtop, a power increase, and a revised suspension. These same upgrades, sans the removable roof, also benefit the 2025 Artura Coupe. Beefed up performance. The Spider is McLaren's first hybrid convertible and packs an upgraded version of the 120-degree 3.0-liter V6 engine mated to an electric motor that first arrived in the coupe last year. The system now pumps out 690 horsepower to the rear wheels, an increase of 19 ponies over the 2024 model. Its peak torque is unchanged at 531 pound-feet, but McLaren says revised engine mapping has improved torque delivery. The axial flux electric motor's 94 horsepower output is also the same, with all of the added oomph coming via the internal combustion engine. 2025 McLaren Artura Spider View photos. McLaren. The hybrid setup is still hooked up to 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle, which incorporates the e-motor. The gearbox has been bolstered for 2025 with a new pre-fill feature that's claimed to shorten shift speeds by 25%. Achieved by pressurizing the hydraulic fluid in the gearbox to the ideal threshold so the gearbox is immediately ready to shift when asked. An electronically controlled differential within the transmission apportions power between the rear wheels. McLaren claims the Artura Spider will rip to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds, with 124 miles per hour arriving in just 8.4 ticks. Top speed is an electronically limited 205 miles per hour. Along with launch control, the Artura gains a new feature for 2025 called Spinning Will Pull Away. The system requires turning off stability control and allows for rowdy wheel spin when mashing the throttle from a stop, perfect for showing off while exiting the Pebble Beach car show. 2025 McLaren Artura Spider View photos. McLaren promises improved handling characteristics thanks to new mounts that are supposed to better control the powertrain within the chassis and subsequently improve stability, steering feel, and overall handling. McLaren also revised the damper